Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2016 Chevrolet Silverado 1500.
Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the powerful 8-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Four-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Top features include a split folding rear seat, front and rear reading lights, variably intermittent wipers, an outside temperature display, front fog lights, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and much more. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Take assurance in side curtain airbags, providing head protection in the event of a severe collision. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.